The government is suggesting and saying that they are in the process of identifying which exactly are the variants wreaking havoc in the country, but they have at least identified a couple of these variants. The mutating coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 has spawned several variants that have scientists worried. Here's a lowdown on those detected in India's exploding second wave. The first variant is called the B.1.17 variant, which is the UK variant of the virus. It's considered to be 40 to 70% more infectious than other variants. It raises the risk of death by at least 60%. Vaccines, at least Covaxin, seems to be working against it. Then is the P1 or the Brazil variant. More contagious than the initial coronavirus strain, and it can reinfect. It may be more virulent, but further research is needed. E484K has escape mutation, and it's this escape mutation that is helping this variant dodge antibodies. The B.1.351 South Africa variant is the other one found in India. It's been found in at least 20 other countries, including the United Kingdom. The mutation called N501 appears to make it more contagious. Another mutation called E484K could help the virus again dodge a person's immune system and then may affect how the vaccines work. Then there is the double mutant variant, which is called the Indian variant. It's called B.1.617. The E484Q mutation is similar to another variant, the E484K, found in fast-spreading Brazil and South Africa regions. This includes the L452R mutation, which helps the virus escape our body's natural immune response. Like I said, it's being called the Indian variant, but this has been seen in at least 10 other countries, including the US, the UK, and New Zealand.